Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable Image Load Service Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to enable Image Load Service Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To enable Image Load Service Microsoft Outlook, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a setting icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the General menu. Now in the General menu there are many menus. Tap the Privacy and Data menu. Now in the Privacy and Data menu, scroll down to find the External Images menu. Now here there are two options. Select Always use the Outlook service to load images. Enable Image Load Service and Outlook functions to display external images and emails. This feature improves the appearance but can pose a security risk. So that's it, the tutorial how to enable Image Load Service Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.